Natural gas traded bullish for the whole year despite a little swings. I have mentioned in the beginning of the year itself that nat gas is looking forward to a great up move. See, it has started the year at $2 levels. It has breached towards 1.6, and since then it is continuously on the up move, delivering almost 75% yield here. Yes, it has come down towards 3.5 levels, and it has already achieved 3.64 earlier this year. What to expect from the year 2025? Can we expect it to break out beyond 3.64? Can we expect it to bridge the gap towards 4.4 and move towards 6? Or it is about to reverse and crash? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the year 2025? Those who are looking forward to a long term investment and looking forward to a forward looking contracts, definitely this is going to add lot much of meaning. Also, we are going to discuss what to expect in the month of January and in the coming week. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy watch till the end. Now, see, on the monthly charts, I've been long term bullish this entire year. I have remained bullish on natural gas, be it whatsoever levels. Here itself, I have mentioned 1.81 $2 levels. It is not going to be there anytime soon. And what has happened? It has hit 3.64. Now, see, if you look at the movement, just divide this into like this: drop, retracement, drop, and it is retracing. Now, it is already seen at par levels, that is 3.64, which we had seen the last year middle. And now, if you look at this, what is happening? Lower lows means lower highs. So it is looking upwards. Looking upwards means 2025 gonna be a really strong bullish year for net gas. It appears so far from the charts, but there are critical levels for it to break past by. First at 3.64, this is the double top levels which it needs to take away, and then I will be looking forward to 4 and 4.4 levels. Now once it breaches 4.4 is the point where you can confirm now $5 levels is a certain thing here, and this is very much possible. Now when you look at the movement in natural gas, you can see these are the levels at which it always tries to recover and bounce back. See this, just below $2 levels, these are the levels. This is the third time it is bouncing back from this zone, and this is the zone towards $4 levels it needs to break out from, because beyond this is where we can definitely see that 4.4 anyways has to be there, but ideally we are looking forward to this zone at $6 levels very soon. So just wait for a breakout here. Let's also look at the when you look at the indicators, see, moving averages on the monthly charts have crossed over here. These are trading bearish. Now the prices are trading above 20 period moving average, above the median of the Bollinger Bands. Also notice that the bands have narrowed, which calls for the bands to expand. And for the bands to expand, it must put pressure on the bands, and thus it should trade outside Bollinger Bands, which means now the moves are going to be bigger in nature. And that is why specifically the next month and the first 3 months of 2025 are going to remain critical for net gas. It can give you leaps and bounds, it can jump on the upside sharply. Be mindful of this here. Now yes, it is trading above the 100 period average. Let's just let it close above this, and when the next month starts, you have to be watchful there. A move beyond 3.6 3.8 zone is a certain thing for 4.44, and then beyond this we can look forward to a greater up move towards $5 and $6 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. Now look at the on the monthly charts, what has happened to MACD? A sharp drop here. For a couple of years, nat gas stayed strongly bearish here. It has not shown any signs of reversal, and now it has crossed over. Now it is looking up. Now the body sizes are increasing in nature, which means it has lot much of scope on the upside, and thus it appears it is ready to post a V-shaped recovery. It can be a turbulent one, just like this, where you can say it may take 2 to 3 years for it to reach the top, but yes, the top is now far above. How about $10 levels? Yes, maybe 3 years, 2 to 3 years down the line, but right now I can say we have to wait. We have to wait a little for it to achieve those levels. RSI also is starting to look upwards here. Coming to the week, now look at the weekly charts here. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a good bullish sign. Second thing on the weekly charts, rise, retracement, and support is created at 2.6. Then the rise and the retracement. The preceding three candles were red in color, and now it has taken the support from the 50 period moving average. Now 3 and 2.94 are the levels it need to break. That will confirm that will confirm that it is turning bearish, and then you can look forward to 2.75, 2.6 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Possibly when the net gas opens next week, and if you see it trading above 3.5, we can look forward to a move towards 3.64, and in fact 3.8 levels possibility is very very high. Why? Rise, retracement, support, bounce back, first candle, second and third candle when it appears, these are going to be strongly bullish candles. Now notice this, it is trading in this channel and it is respecting this channel. Where are the highs of this channel? Now above $4 levels. So the next targets are going to be towards 4 possibly. Now the support levels at 3 are very very strong. Keep a note of this. Next way to look at it is rise retracement. Now the rise, so it is going towards higher highs, which means 4 has to be there. And once it breaches past 4, you can say more bullishness must prevail here towards 4.44 and in fact towards 5. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is under retracement. It is trading with moderate divergence. The RSI is looking upwards, which is also a very very good sign for the. Now, if you look at the pure charts, you will find, see, here it is very important to note that couple of retracement are done and it is delivering higher highs after this strong pull. It is forming a nice flag formation, and the breakout here is going to be very very strong. 3.84 has to be there. Beyond this, certainly you can say stronger momentum. And here also, if you look at the formation here, see, it has come out of this bearish channel. It has come out of this channel in which it was creating lower lows, and now it is ready to move towards upside. Now when you see the upside here, look at the preceding rise at $10 levels, close to 9.8. And now in fact, even if you draw a parallel and you, if you expect that yes it can hit lower highs, the lower highs are far far above. The more time it spends there, the lower are the levels are going to be towards $6 to $7 levels, beyond which sky is the limit in the near term. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, one very important thing I've shared earlier. See, at this point itself, I have mentioned that it has formed double bottom and it is ready for rise. And once it breaks beyond 3.15, we are looking forward to higher highs. What it did, it has achieved 3.64, the highs we have seen in the year 2023. Now hitting the highs, it has retraced and reversed. Now again, here you can see it has formed a very good support at 2.94 zone. And now look at the formation, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise. It can retrace here, but now if it breaks out, it is going to be a stronger one. The last candle which you see as a swing candle is ready for a breakout, and now if you see it is staying above 3.5, 3.54, I think we are looking forward to 3.64, 3.8 zone as well. Let me turn on the indicators here as well. Look at the indicators. See, moving averages are trading bullish and these are trading with divergence. It has created a very very good support at $3 levels. Finding the support, it is trying to bounce back. It appears higher highs are there on the cards, there on the charts, which means a possibility of 3.83 and $4 levels is almost a certainty here. The stochastic rising. Now see the MACD on the daily charts. This is double bottom. It has formed the bottom and it is crossed over. This crossover is very very important. Just two candles away. It suggests that it can continue with this bullish for a while from now. So the coming week is definitely going to be one bullish week again, where we can expect it to move towards 3.6, 3.64 zone. And in fact, beyond that 3.7 to 3.8 levels are very very possible. RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, you have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. Now remember the year 2025, we are looking at positive momentum here in net gas. The first half of the year is going to be important, where it can hit the highs, it can breach beyond $5 or $6 levels as well. And at that point, we will see how it behaves, staying above $5 to $6 levels. You can say this time we can look forward to 7.2 and in fact $10 levels very very soon. But just let's stick to the. I will recommend you to buy here at 3.465 levels. Expect it to move towards 3.51, 3.55. And then beyond this 3.62 is a certainty, 3.6 to 3.64. And if this is taken, stay bullish for 3.72. Now these levels are applicable for the coming week as well, and these are going to remain applicable for entire year. When you see the price is trading above these levels, certainly the bullish momentum should prevail, though we will keep updating it. The Fibonacci levels might get changed, but yes, largely right now it is looking upwards, and then you can look forward to the most critical one at 3.8. Beyond 3.8 for the year 2025, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 4, 4.4, 4.5. This is the next target which I'll be looking forward to beyond 3.8. And then the next targets are towards $5 levels. Very much possible. In fact, beyond 5, we can expect 5.4, the next one, and ideally $6 levels is what you can look forward to. Remember, $6 from first of all, I'll wait for where it closes the year. If it closes at around 3.8 levels, possibility is there that in the coming year we can see net gas moving towards for $6 levels here, and beyond 6 is there. It is also possible that it can show you a strong run towards $8 to $10 levels in the near future. It is not possible that it is just going to deliver it in a month or two, or in a year or two. It can take a little bit of time. It can show you a swing before achieving the levels here on the upside, but largely it appears the bottoming is done for net gas, and it is looking forward to a greater rise in the year 2025. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.42 levels. Expect 3.38, 3.36 as the first support zone. If this is taken, then I will look for, see, rather I will say 3.38 you exclude, and 3.34 let's include. So this is going to be the first support zone here. Below this, the targets are towards 3.3, 3.25, and if 3.25 is taken, then 3.2 and 3.15. See, now the support levels on the downside are very important. 3.15 is one such critical level, because below this I will be looking forward to 2.94, and if this is taken, then 2.76. Once it trades below 2.76, 2.6, and below 2.6 is where the bears are waiting, 2.48. See, those who follow me regularly on the daily and weekly basis, since 2.48 I've been shouting, ready, buy, it is going to rally, and what it has done, it has achieved 3.64. Imagine, almost 50% return in quick succession here. So yes, 2.48 now going to be a pretty good support here, below which you can expect 2.2 and $2 levels. Chances for this appears to be almost negligible in the year 2025. However, these are markets, and I am not beyond markets. Markets are always supreme. Thus, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading week ahead, and a happy and prosperous and profitable year 2025. Thank you.